una, congrats. Ang galing. Meron ka na namang ano meron na naman tayo mapagmamalaki
Maraming salamat, sir.
Oh, actually, nagulat ako. I mean, di ko na busy kasi I've been following you, di ba? Kino-cover namin yung mga tournaments na hinahawak mo, di ba? Yung
Yes, sir.
gold mo,
Amit ka.
Amit Cup,
Apa.
yeah. So, ito, parang nagulat ako meron kang competition ulit. So, can you run us through? Ano to? Biglaan ba to? Or this is something scheduled talaga?
It is something scheduled po talaga. Actually, it's the first tournament of mine for the year.
Hmm.
Kasi the tournaments that I join are mostly the majors na lang po eh.
Oh.
The World Nine Ball Championships, which was last week, and then the World Ten Ball Championships, wherein defending naman po dito si Cheska Centeno. It will happen in November sa Puerto Rico.
Hmm.
And then the China Open, which is aalis po ko this coming Monday, kami ni Cheska, to play in the China Open in Shanghai naman po. Mostly majors, and the reason is because it's quite expensive po kasi before, pre-pandemic, most of the tournaments were in Asia, particularly in China.
Mhm.
So, yung expense po, hindi ganun kalaki. Eh, ngayon po, halos, if most of the tournaments, 90% of the tournaments is in the US or in Europe. So, for us to travel, talagang laging mga around 200,000 pesos ang
Mhm.
gastos. And for us to be able to recover the expenses, kailangan po at least semis or minsan nga, kailangan pa halos finalist ka kapag hindi major tournament. That's why medyo naglaylo po. Medyo ano lang, diskarte.
Mhm.
Diskarte sa in choosing. Yun nga po dahil medyo mahal po mahal po mag-travel. Talagang ano, tiwala,
Mhm.
tiwala lang.
Oo.
Gastos, sariling gastos. And then, ever since naman po, ganun po yung ano ko sa sarili ko.
Mhm.
Kasi I feel na I'm accountable sa sa every action na ginagawa ko. Lalo na ako yung gumagastos sa sarili ko. I treat it as a business.
Oo.
Nag-invest sa sarili ko. And then hopefully may gains or at least break even.
So, talagang baka mamaya naging business tycoon ka yan. Hindi nga, yung mga investment mo, meron ka na nga tournament tapos pati dito on your own, di ba? Pero nakakatuwa, yun yung ginagawa mo. Pero ito, let's go to the tournament. First Filipina. I mean, yun yung that's what's really catchy right now. First Filipina. Did that ever play in your mind before you enter the tournament na ikaw yung unang magiging Pilipina na mapapalaro ng tournament na to?
It was mentioned to us by someone na, oh, wala pang Pinay na nakakapanalo ng World Nine Ball Championships.
Mhm.
The closest na I've been is second, first runner-up back in 2007. And then nag-semifinalist po ako ng 2018 and 2019. So, malapit. And then, napag, pero it's something po kasi na when you go and travel, parang wag mo nang isipin. Kasi it adds pressure lang. And pag nandun ka naman na, wala ka namang magagawa as much as gusto mong manalo, talagang maraming factors
Mhm.
for you to win a tournament. Out of 48 strong players, talagang di mo rin po masasabi.
Mhm.
Very blessed to have won this tournament.
Okay, someone told you that wala pang Pilipina na nanalo dito. Did that add any pressure on your end?
Um, well, it's ano naman na din po. Parang alam din po naman talaga namin na wala pang nakakapanalo na babaeng player. So it's just ano lang na parang oo nga, wala pa nga. Sana, ganun lang. Sana, but if not, tuloy lang. Tuloy lang ang paglalaro.
So, come as you go, basta laro lang, gano'n lang, something.
Opo. That has really been the mindset coming into this tournament na not to pressure myself, not to obsess about the result, but
Mm-mm.
just to focus on the process
Mm-mm.
of executing and just trying to do the right shot every time and try to just contain the emotion. Uh, ayun po. And ano naman po again, it may sound cheesy, but it's really everything is about to glorify God. So, yun lang po. It's about doon lang yung focus ko. And I'm just very, very blessed na ito po yung naging outcome.
Okay, heading into your next tournament, dito sa China and sa Puerto Rico, ah
Apa.
ito ba para bang moral booster ba sa iyo to?
Hindi ko po alam kung moral kasi ngayon po pagod na pagod pa po ako eh.
Oh,
Parang pagod na pagod pa po ako. Tapos I'm really trying to adjust the sleep, ano. Like I
oo.
slept kagabi mga around 1, mga almost 2, and I'm up ng mga 6 a.m. kasi sa New Zealand. We played in New Zealand. Sa New
Mm,
Zealand po kasi it's 4 hours ahead. So 10 a.m. na doon.
mm,
So yun, ang aga kong nagigising. Medyo magulo po yung tulog ko.
mhm,
So from the time na dumating ako, kagabi nga kasama ko si Cheska because we celebrated the victory sa Marboys.
mm,
Salamat kay Boss JR for hosting. Ah, Kinakausap ko siya. Sabi ko, kamusta tulog mo? Sabi niya, ang gulo din daw po ng tulog niya.
mhm.
Ang gulo daw ng pakiramdam niya. Sabi ko, ako rin eh. Tapos alis na tayo ng Monday. Sabi ko, pahinga pa rin tayo. Kaya ngayon po talaga it's more of recovery. I really wanna go back and train. Kaso lang naisip ko, I don't wanna ano muna myself kasi talagang pagod pa eh. Yung 6 days na everyday parang championship. Kasi ang ano po, grabe yung naging draw ko
Mm,
ay hindi ko naisip na kung ganun po yung mabubunot ko ng mga players, malulusutan ko yun isa-isa, lahat.
mm,
From Han Yu, who's a three-time world champion, Chao Che-Yu, the defending champion, and this is ano pa lang po ha, enter the top 16.
mm,
Tapos sa top 16, ang una kong laban was Cheska.
mm, mm,
Tapos second was Wei Chuqian, who's also been performing really well. Won the Puerto Rico Open against Cheska 2 years ago. And then next is si Christina Ticach na twice na nag semifinals sa World Nine Ball last year and this year. And then Chen Ximing.
mm.
Grabe ang resume ng taong yun. Multiple world champion, number one in the world for, I think, if I'm not mistaken, at least 8 years.
Wow.
Ganon ka-impressive yung resume ni Chen Ximing. Kaya going back and trying to remember everything, it's overwhelming. Overwhelming po of how everything happened. And how he just, alam mo yun, protected yung emotions ko na hindi masyadong ma-overwhelm sa mga kalaban and to just really focus on the game.
Grabe, ang hirap niyan, Bing, yung tulog pa lang, hindi ba nakaka-affect sa concentration mo sa laro?
Opo, opo. Very kaya challenge po talaga sa akin is lalo na pag nasa
Mhm.
nasa West, lalo pag nasa US and Europe, lalo na pag nasa US baliktad. Grabe, hirap na hirap po talaga ako para akong zombie habang naglalaro.
Grabe. So right now you're in New Zealand?
No, we got back last Monday.
Okay.
Kasi nga kinakausap kami ng mga Pilipino doon, sabi sa
Oh.
amin, di mo lang ba kayo mag-iikot ng konti, extend ng
Oh.
konti? Kami, sabi namin, as much as we would want to, kami nga ni Cheska, kasi ang ganda po ng New Zealand, sabi namin, we have a tournament in China and we have to go home and adjust yung tulog namin sa Philippines-China time, which is the same. So, yun po, medyo kailangan lang to, sacrifice muna, sayang nga kasi talagang excited din sana kami mag-ikot. Sabi namin, hopefully next year, hindi naman sila magkalapit na tournament,
Mm.
we could go and explore New Zealand.
So China then Puerto Rico. Ano yun, that's it for the year for you. Kumbaga, yun yung tournament.
Yes. Opo, bale, but we have Bacolod. We have a tournament in Bacolod.
Mm-mm.
Cheska tsaka ako po. It's a tournament against mga lalaki.
Mm, okay.
So, may pa-tournament si Mayor Albi, which
Mm.
is a yearly tournament. And excited kami doon kasi happy kami sa Bacolod, happy kami kumain,
Mm.
happy kami to play against the guys. More of bonding din namin kasama yung mga partners namin. So, yun po, we're looking forward to it. Tsaka magandang po din siya eh, magandang bata. Maganda po siyang experience for us.
Okay. How about in 2025? Are there marami ka pang major tournaments na coming there?
Marami pong major tournaments. So, the SEA Games,
Yeah.
the IMAG, it was moved to next year.
Okay.
Uh, there's the World Games, but I don't know if I'm qualified for the World Games. And then the two World Championships again. Tapos, we'll see po. We'll see kung if there will be tournaments na added. Pag may tournaments mo naman po kasi sa Asia, kahit hindi major, we would join eh.
Mm.
It's really the funding, consideration.
Mm-mm.
Yun po yung consideration namin, yung
Ah,
funding.
okay. So, sige yun, Bing. Before we end, maybe you want to say anything, yung mga supporters, mga fellow Pinoys na ang dami nagko-congratulate sa ngayon for
Oo
sure,
nga
di
po eh.
ba? Di ba?
Opo.
Overwhelmed.
Opo.
Maybe you'd like to respond or tell them, say something to them.
Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta po sa amin ni Cheska, sa lahat po ng billiard players na Pilipino, maraming maraming pong salamat sa inyo. I would like to make special mention din po sa mga Pilipino po sa New Zealand. Lalo na po yung talagang mga nag-alaga sa amin, sila Kuya Mark, sila Len, sila Kuya Will, sila Vince. Talagang nandoon kayo, nagsakripisyo kayo para sa amin, na talagang samahan kami. Yung mga Pilipino na nag-drive pa from Auckland to Hamilton ng 1.5 hours every day, papunta at saka pabalik, just to support us. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin lahat ng ginawa nyo para sa amin, lahat ng gifts nyo, lahat ng pagpakain nyo po sa amin. Grabe talaga mga Pilipino all over the world. Kahit yung mga kalaban nga po namin nagugulat kasi bakit daw laging maraming Pilipino sa bawat bansa na nilalaroan namin. Maraming maraming salamat sa lahat po ng nanood sa live stream, sa lahat po ng nagme-message po hanggang ngayon, nagko-congratulate. Maraming maraming salamat po. Hindi pa man din pa ako makapagsagot agad-agad sa mga messages nyo. But rest assured po na I read each and every one of them, and uh, uh, I appreciate everything na sinasabi nyo. Maraming maraming salamat po again sa inyo, and God bless po.
Sige, thank you, Bing. Thank you.